Ready to supercharge your Bybit trading with the power of automated strategies on MetaTrader 5. Let's dive straight into linking your Bybit account to MT5, unlocking a world of algorithmic trading possibilities. First, ensure you have a Bybit account and a verified MT5 account with a supporting broker. Next, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the API management section. You can usually find this under your profile settings, account security, or a similar labeled tab. Now, create a new API key, give it a descriptive name like MT5 Trading to easily identify its purpose when setting permissions. Be sure to enable the trade permission. Ensure you enable the trade permission only, do not enable withdrawal permissions. Once created, Bybit will provide you with an API key and a secret key. Store these in a safe place, as you will need them shortly. The secret key will only be shown once. Open your MetaTrader 5 platform, go to the Tools menu at the top and select Options. In the Options window, navigate to the Expert Advisors tab, tick the box labeled Allow Automated Trading. Also, tick Allow DLL imports and allow web request for a listed URL. Add the Bybit API server URL and any other URLs that the brokers provide to the list below. In the Navigator window, locate the Expert Advisors section, find the Bybit MT5 connector URL that your broker provided, drag and drop it onto a chart. A window will pop up prompting you to enter your API key and secret key from Bybit. Carefully paste the API key and secret key you generated earlier into the corresponding fields. Ensure there are no spaces before or after the pasted keys. Click OK if all steps were followed correctly. The Expert Advisor should now be successfully connected and ready to execute trades on your Bybit account through MT5. Now you can start automating your Bybit trading strategies. Happy trading!